In this video, I'll be helping you with the math topic called solving a rational equation by factoring the denominator. And we'll be using this example from the OpenStax College Algebra textbook where we're asked to factor this rational equation. And I'll start by identifying the lowest common denominator. Our denominators are x, 10, and 4x. So the lowest common denominator, or the smallest number that is divisible by each of these, is 20x. And now that I have the lowest common denominator, I know that if I multiply each term on the left and right by the lowest common denominator, then all of these denominators will cancel. So on the left-hand side, there's just one term. It'll be multiplied by 20x. On the right-hand side, there's two terms, but they are each multiplied by 20x, both the first and the second term. And we can see that on the left-hand side, the denominator x does cancel, leaving me with just 20 times 1, or 20. And then on the right-hand side, this 10 will go into 20 two times, and I'm left with the 2, the x times 1, 2x, and then in the last term, the x's cancel and 4 goes into 20 5 times. So I have a negative 5 times 3, or minus 15. Now that we have a simplified equation, I can solve for x much easier. We can move that minus 15 to the other side by adding 15 to both sides of the equation. Canceling on the right, we now have 2x on the right-hand side and 20 plus 15, 35 on the left-hand side. To finish solving for x, we can divide by 2 on both sides to cancel those 2's, leaving me with x equals 35 over 2. This does not simplify, but I do need to confirm that plugging in this value for x does not make any of these denominators 0. And so plugging in 35 halves doesn't turn any of these denominators into 0. So this is a valid solution.